Let's compare Realme Pad 2 versus Realme Pad. Operating system, Android 13 versus Android 11. Chipset, MediaTek MT8781 Helio G99 versus MediaTek MT6769V/CU Helio G80. GPU, Mali G57MC2 versus Mali G52MC2. Display type, IPS LCD, 1B colors, 120Hz, 450 nits, versus IPS LCD, 360 nits. Display size, 11.5 inches, versus 10.4 inches. Pixel density, 203 ppi, versus 224 ppi. Screen resolution, 1200 x 2000 pixels versus 1200 x 2000 pixels. Base memory internal base, 64 GB 6 GB RAM versus 32 GB 3 GB RAM. Camera, 8 megapixel camera versus 8 megapixel camera. Video, 1080p 30 fps versus 1080p 30 fps. Front camera, 8 MP versus 8 MP. Video, 1080 30 fps versus 1080 30 fps. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 802.11 versus Wi-Fi 802.11. Bluetooth, 5.3 versus 5.0. USB, Type-C 2.0 versus Type-C 2.0. Sensors, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer versus accelerometer, gyro, proximity. Battery type, lithium polymer battery, 8,360 mAh versus lithium polymer battery, 7,100 mAh. Charging, 33W wired versus 18W wired. Weight 575 grams versus 440 grams. Price, $259 versus $204.